Hello friends, welcome to Tech Heady, and in this video I will help you to quickly use the Vlookup. So let's begin. I have stored employee information in this sheet, and in the another sheet I have stored the employee salary information. Here in both the sheets, employee ID is a unique value, and based on that we'll try to fetch the employee salary in this table. So let's see how we can do this. We'll start with the VLOOKUP formula, and by selecting the employee ID as a unique value, we'll go to the another tab. Same thing we can perform into the two different sheet. Instead of the tab, you can switch to a different sheet, and then coming here and providing this comma and the column for which you want to get the value. So here we want to get the employee salary information, so I am providing here a column number 2, and it says that either I want to exact match or approximate match, so I will go with the exact match, and by selecting false and then closing this bracket and pressing enter. So you can see over here our formula is returning the value. To get the value into the other column, just double click over here and it will reflect. And also we can cross verify using one value. So employee ID 001 is having employee salary 10,100. Going back here, looking for the employee ID 001, and you can see employee ID 001 is having 10,100 as a salary. Hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.